from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Ford BMax here on a 2013 plate. As you can see yourself there, the stop lamp is working on the near side rear, which is the passenger side. The center one's working, but the driver's side isn't. Now this does the position lamp as well at the same time. So I'm assuming if it's got a position lamp as well as a stop lamp, so the bulb would be a 380 bulb, which I got it right here. So if you did want one, you can find a link for it in the description. I'm going to show you how to replace it. It is quite an easy procedure. Let me just open the boot first. Here we go. Right, it's on the inside here. You've got this little screw here which you need to undo. Once you're done, it is quite a tight spot. So all you got to do, turn that to your left. Make sure you do not drop this. If you do drop it, you're going to have a problem finding it. So I got it out. Here we go. So it's a quite long one. If they are really tight, so you could put a 10mm socket on there or a screwdriver. Try to sort of open it that way. Otherwise, when you do put it back in, make sure it's not really tight. Now to undo it, so all you got to do is from here, you pull it out towards you. That's it. So that's out. So on the back there, you can see you've got screws on there as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug it. So I'm working on my own, so that's it. Now to unplug it, you've got to push the button in here so it comes out. Okay, so that's how it goes in. This is it. So what I'm going to need is I'm going to need a Phillips screwdriver. So I'm going to go and grab a screwdriver while I put you on hold. Right, to save us time of taking the screws out, so you got to remember 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you've only got 4 screws. Do not remove the bottom screws right there. There for the lens itself, there's one here as well. Do not remove that. And that's the lug which goes in there. So you got to sort of kind of wiggle, pull it out towards you. And that's it. So what I'm going to now do is take this out. Now another thing you need to remember is the seal around the cluster, so make sure the seal is intact, just because you don't want any water going in. Now if you did want to do the 5A1 bulb, which is an indicator bulb, you can replace that at the same time. So this is the one we're replacing. Like I said, it's a double filament which does the position lamp as well. So got the new bulb in. There's only one way the bulb would go as well. Right, I'm going to put it back together now. So make sure it sort of connects in. Here we go. That's it. It's a nice in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the screws back in. So I'm going to put you back on hold. And now I've got all the screws in there as well. So you can see right there. So all we now need to do is put it back in to the location where we took it out from. So this is going to be a bit of a tricky one because I am on my own. So I'm going to try to plug her in first. So here we go. Plug in. So if you did want to take it out, you push this in and then pull the bulb out. So like this, and then plug out. Okay. So you then do is line her up. In there, that's the lug, and then you push her in. So make sure it sort of kind of clicks in. That's it. And then we get the screw in. Now this is the tricky part. Do not, whatever happens, do not drop it. So it goes into that hole. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to get it in there first. There we go. I nearly dropped it. Ooh, that was lucky. Right, so I'm going to put it back in that hole again and then screw in. Right, I got it lined up now, so I needed the second hand, so here we go. It's in there. Now you can see it's on. So I'm going to just screw her in. Make sure it's not really tight, just nip it up. So next time when you want to open it, it's nice and easy. So what we're going to now do is check, see if it's working. I've already got the thing on there, so switch the ignition on. and then check. And you can see that there's working, and this one's working as well. Right, that's all it was on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And there is a playlist for Ford as well. Do check that out. This is a Ford BMax on a 2013 plate. And if you found this video useful, save a lot of money, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the special thanks button. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.